What's up, guys? So today we are going beyond the basics. Infinite banking isn't just about solving your current financial challenges. It's about creating a system that supports your family for decades, maybe even centuries. Think about this. Why do we know the Rockefellers' name? It's not because they were just the wealthiest people out there. It's because they used them to keep their wealth growing and accessible for future generations. With infinite banking, you're not just building wealth, you're building legacy wealth. You're creating a financial foundation that your children, your grandchildren, and your great-grandchildren can rely on. And luckily for you, you can start this today, no matter where you're at financially. I'm Shawn King, infinite banking practitioner and founder of Legacy Life and Retirement. And today, we're gonna break down which financial tool is best to accomplish your goals. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's start by discussing how infinite banking allows your wealth to compound over time. You see, when you set up a properly structured, very important, properly structured whole life insurance policy, you're creating an uninterrupted growth engine for your money. Here's what that means. Even when you borrow against your policy, the entire deposited or paid premium amount continues to grow as if you had never taken a loan in the first place. This compounding effect is how you create exponential growth year after year, decade after decade. So imagine this. Imagine starting with $50,000 deposit or paid premiums, compounding at anywhere from 3 to 6% annually. Now, traditionally, here's how you would do that math. In 30 years, that would grow to somewhere around 300 plus thousand. But in infinite banking math, you've done more. You've purchased a death benefit that's well over $300,000 that your family is guaranteed to get. Then you're earning dividends each and every year. And on top of that, the most important part is you have unstructured and private access to the cash value that you've built up inside this policy. So even after multiple loans, all of that money that you spent isn't depleting your savings. Here's the kicker. When it comes time to pass on your legacy, the death benefit ensures your heirs that they'll receive a tax-free inheritance that can then go to starting new policies to help keep the family banking going for generations to come. Now let's talk strategy. Infinite banking isn't about just locking away your money. It's about leveraging it to create more opportunities. I think that's what so many people miss. So let's say that you take out this policy loan at, we'll call it 5% interest, and you use that loan to invest in real estate, earning a return of, I don't know, somewhere between 8 and 12%. Not only is your policy's cash value still growing, but you're also generating additional income from the investment. This is how you keep your money working for you in two places at once. If you're confused about how the policy loans can work or how you can kind of calculate these numbers, you should check out my video titled How to Build Wealth with Infinite Banking. In that video, I break it all down for you step by step. All right, so this is where infinite banking becomes more than just a tool. It becomes a legacy. Families like the Rockefellers didn't just rely on one policy. They created a system, and each generation contributed and benefited from that family bank. So here's how it works. Step 1, start with one policy, then add policies for your spouse, your children, or even your grandchildren. As your wealth continues to grow, as you come into more money, as your income grows overall, you want to be teaching your family how these policies work, how to use them to borrow, invest, and grow wealth. And then over time, you've created a network of policies that not only protects your family, but also continues growing for the next generation. Understand, this isn't just about the money. This is about value. It's about legacy. It's about teaching your family how to manage, how to grow, and how to respect the family banking system so that you can ensure that your legacy lasts forever. If you're looking for some other resources and you want to see a simple way to kind of manage this in your own family, you can check out our video called The Family Business for some actionable strategies. Now, some of you might be thinking, Shawn, this sounds great, but isn't it expensive to set up? Or what if I can't afford to fund the large policy right now? Great question. Don't worry. The good news is that infinite banking is scalable. You can start small, even with a modest policy, and continue to build your system over time. The key is to get started. Waiting only delays the compounding and the legacy that you want to end up building for your family. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and to start building your system that supports your family for generations to come, let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk. And if you want to learn more about this 200-year-old concept, head down to the description section of this video and click on the link. That link will direct you to the homepage of our website, where you can watch a full overview, which will be extremely helpful in helping you grasp the concept of infinite banking, of becoming your own bank. After that, go ahead and book yourself a free cash consultation with me and my team, and we'll sit down with you and answer all of your questions. We'll discuss exactly what your goals are and how infinite banking could be the foundation to building your legacy. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and check out some of our other super helpful videos on our channel. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to share it with somebody that you believe needs to see it. And as always, my friends, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless. I'm Shawn King, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.